Okay, my people, happy midweek. Here is afternoon in Kuala Lumpur. So, hello, Alpha. Good afternoon. Yes, I have another. Yes, I need to prepare catfish pepper soup to some of my customers. So yesterday I showed you guys the other beautiful places of Kuala Lumpur. Yes, I showed you the area of my shop, and also when I went to apply for visa for one of my workers yesterday in Cyberjaya. So today let me show you the other side of Malaysia. Can I say Ajegule side of Malaysia? But it's still okay. It's not really Ajegule because here now, as long as there is light, there is water, then all those things are some important things that we need in our life. You understand? Stable electricity and also water. Yeah. So I wouldn't say that the area is like Ajegule, but there's so other people. There's still some people that lives here that do well also. But this area are the low cost housing area for maybe students, for people that they are not earning really much like that. And most of our people also stays in this area. This area a house can cost like maybe 500, 700 ringgit, which if you convert it in Nigerian currency, you can be getting like from 200,000 ringgit per month, because here they pay monthly. So there's African shop out there. They sell all kinds of African that owned by a Bangladesh guy, you understand, and the guy buy a lot of things from Nigeria. So most of the times I just go there to buy my food stuff. Yes, to source for my food stuff. So let me show you this part of residential area. So you see, these are the low cost houses. Yes, all these places is built long time ago. I don't think even as of then, maybe could be more like 20 something years ago. So these are the houses. The inside is not really that bad, you understand. So one thing about some of all these places is that you can live where it's very expensive. You can also live where you can afford, you understand. Then once you are sure that you can afford those kind of expensive places, then you can also move to those places. Yes, so it depends what you can afford. Yeah, look at this restaurant now. This restaurant operates 24 hours. They don't close. That's another thing here. Most of the restaurants don't close here because they like food. They eat 24 hours. They eat like pigeon. Small, but they can eat it like 5-6 times a day. So that's why restaurant business is a very lucrative business in Asia, in Malaysia, because some of the shops doesn't close. They don't cook at home. Most of people here do not cook at home because they consider it that it's cheaper when you eat in a restaurant than cooking at home. So some of them don't get strength. Some houses they will just build it without even organizing the kitchen properly, because at the end of the day nobody is gonna cook in the kitchen. So most of the times they eat in the restaurant, and many restaurants does not close. 24/7 is open. So I'm heading to Mohammed's shop now. My brothers, they don't gather. This is where you see them every afternoon. In the afternoon they already started drinking kai kai. After kai kai, the next thing is to gossip. Some of them don't even forget where they come from. They can't even trace their way back home. Yeah. So there's so many of them here in Kuala Lumpur. Not even. So guys, you see the catfish? Wow. Oh boy, this one is very big. You see the catfish. The catfish. Yeah. But one thing I don't like about these people, they're catfish. Can never compare Nigerian catfish with these people catfish. You know why? Because these ones, the way they feed them with fertilizer, but in Nigeria, our catfish. So that's how I cook this one. Spice it very well. You understand? You still get the taste of that Nigerian catfish. Like now, this one is point and kill. I'm going to kill about 2. I have how many pots of catfish order today? So this one is not barbecue. This one is pepper soup catfish. Yeah. You can hear. I'm not doing live. You can hear their voices. You can hear their voices. My brothers. So this place is an African shop. Let me show you guys what they have inside this shop. You see our plantain. You see this one is not from Nigeria. This is a plantain from Malaysia. They have plantain. This is Titus fish, bitter leaf. This one is a cow tail. So attachment over there. These are meat. Goat head, cow leg, anything you want, you can get it here. These are yam. Wow. See this one with them net. Yam. Rice. Plenty yam. Beans. Red oil. Indomie. Anything you want from Nigeria, you can get it here. But you see, you can imagine, see plantain. All things you want from Nigeria, you can get it from the shop, and they sell for affordable prices. In case if you are in Kuala Lumpur and you are looking for where you can get your food stuff, you just DM me. I can help you and pass their numbers to you. This one is Thailand dry fish. You see, yeah. Now foreigner get this place, so foreigner, I can imagine somebody from Bangladesh having this kind of business here. And most of my people cannot come up with anything and do it properly. All they do sometimes after drinking, gossip, how this one takes from this one. Now Malaysia, I come and know some men they gossip as woman. Anyway, I don't blame them. It's due to joblessness, you understand? So if you engage yourself for something serious, I don't think you have time to sit around and gossip. So let me order for my catfish and start going back to my shop. Is anyone okay?
Big.
Big. How much is 1 kg?
But I give it to
I don't want this one. No, this one looks like something that is dying already. So I think you choose. Give me the one that is not that big but medium size, because sometimes those big ones, they know they. They even said you did it. One shot, 5 ringgit. I need to get some plantain. I need to add it on the fish, inside the fish. So come and give me plantain, please. I'm done. I'm heading back to my shop. It's not that far. See you guys. Let me go and prepare the catfish pepper soup. I will update you guys later. Bye bye.